Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infiniti of Nashua. Today we have the 2022 Infiniti QX55 Luxe. Luxe is the entry level, but that doesn't mean it's not fully loaded with tons of great options. Sticker price of $48,795, all-wheel drive of course, 2-liter variable compression engine, pushing out 268 horsepower, 280 pound-feet of torque. By the way, this ain't going nowhere. That's about as screwed in there as I could get. Nice. That 2-liter has a bit of trickery going on. It's variable compression. So there's like a little arm on the bottom of the crankshaft that can adjust how far the piston moves up. Obviously changing the compression ratio. Pretty clever technology. I had no idea how it worked until watching a few videos on it, but now that I know how it works, it's pretty cool. This one does have CVT transmission, so not only is the engine's compression ratio variable, so are the gear ratios. It's pretty cool. So the compression ratios, they go from 8:1 to 14:1. And they can vary that whole distance. Anything in between 8:1 to 14:1, it can use. So it's not just two extremes. Ah, that's the wheel lock moving around. I was wondering what that noise was. honestly, the 2-liter has a good amount of power for what it is, and a good amount of torque. Torque is a huge thing with consumer cars. I'd much rather have higher torque figures than power, to an extent. And the torque in this is definitely really good. Oh man, this car is so fun. And honestly, good amount of fun in the corners too. Obviously, not a Q60, nothing like that. It's not really trying to be, but it's definitely more fun than your typical crossover. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.